Hi everyone, so I started off with an A4 sheet of card and I folded it in half to make an A5, and then I used some of this pretty pinky purpley card that I had in my stash. I spritzed it with water before I put it through in the embossing folder and through the machine. This just helps prevent cracking and disruption of the fibres within the card. Helps you get a more crisp embossed image on your designs. So I'm just cutting out the topper sheet here. This is the little topper I've chose to use. Matting it on some gold mirror card using my trusty little trimmer. And then I'm just having a play about with the placement of some dies, which I die cut some of the black card. I just thought it would make the image pop a little bit. So using my wet glue, I'm just placing everything where I wanted it, getting everything matted and layered, cutting out the little sentiment, popping that on some black card just like I did used in the die cut elements. Using one of my favourite little flourish dies, I've done a little black embellishment just as a base to sit the little topper on. Added one of my little dazzler gems. Popped down some little awkward bits that were sticking out with some wet glue, and then that's the card finished. I hope you like it. Printed this one onto photo paper so it has a really nice glossy sheen on the topper. Really simple. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.